What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Frankie G here. I hope everybody's having a great day, blessed day. Yep, it's a blessing out here, man. Got the sunset going, a little photo shoots. Gonna be doing some content right now for Instagram. But yeah, this is what the views are like right now, man. I think after this, thinking about going for like a little drive, something for YouTube, man, before I leave on this trip that I'm about to go on. But yeah, here she is. The stance life is not meant for me, brother. Nope. Alrighty, we're gonna go for a drive. Man, I really don't want to leave this view. This view looks really nice. I used to come up here all the time after high school and just kind of chill. But let's go for this drive, man. Just cruise around. Those views too right here. Sheesh. Cali be having the best like spots to take pictures, man, and I love it out here. I don't know what that was. a Porsche 911, dog. What the heck? Man, out of all the spots. Shoot, that long ass train, bruh. Damn, that thing's like a mile long, dude. Stance life ain't it, baby. It just ain't it. I want to go fast, but I want to look good. Man, rest in peace to second gear. Yo, man, this car has never given me any problems. Never. And I beat the heck out of it. Minute, bro. Be just making bangers. Can't wait till they finish that bridge there, man. I wonder what it's gonna look like. I haven't even looked into it, actually. Next spot to take pictures at, you know what I mean? I don't know, I might hit a car meet tonight. Let's see where the car meets are at. guess there's no car meets. Yeah, we're chilling. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, buy me a new car. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw the thing away. Yep. It's useless. I ain't got nothing else to do. Just so you guys know, this video was not even planned, so I'm just trying to pull videos out and kind of see where it goes from there. But we're about to pull up right now. Nice, as I keep saying. Man, the last time I came out here, that security guard was a pain in the ass, dude. Make something happen. I'm just trying to make a video. Oh, jeez. No parking, entire block. Oh well. Oh well. Let's bust this video out real quick. What up, what up, what up? Whoa, the lighting out here is a little bit dark, but man, she's still looking good. Here, maybe if I like use my phone. Still doesn't help. Still don't help. Anyway, this is the second video that I'll be pulling up about this same month, but I'm just I really don't know what to do, man. I'm just kind of like bored at the house and decided to pull up a video and just go for a drive. Go for a drive or talk about the stance life. I will say one thing, something about this car. I just want to go fast. And being stanced out, dude, just sucks, but it looks so good, man. Like, you gotta love the fitment. The fitment's crazy. Of course, you can't see it, but it looks so nice. Yep. Too low. Everywhere I go, I just be scraping. Plus, I'm like 300 pounds. 6'2", 300 pounds, baby. What's that?
Are you selling it?
Nah, just making a YouTube video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, sir.
Yeah, you have a good one. Nice gentleman. But yeah, as I was saying, man, I just need rear bumper, front bumper, side splitters, trunk. Complete the stance look. And once I get that all like out of the way, I'm gonna hire my boy, I forgot what his name is, but he does photography, and just kind of hit him up and do some photo shoots, pull up at a couple car meets, see what it do, bro. Like, this car ain't all that. Like, it's not even at its full potential, exactly where I want it. There is so much more that I want to do with this. I'm most likely never selling this car. So as I was telling the guy back there, like, I'm not gonna sell it, but everything comes with a number, bro. So everything comes with a number. But the plan is to hopefully maybe turn this into a race car, man. Straight up, like, I don't know, big turbo, mid mount, VHR swap, HR swap, who knows? Who knows? But yeah, I'm out here at Monster Energy Drink. Yeah, that's not the same gentleman that kicked me out last time, but that other guy was like a fat Mexican that was giving me a hard time. I even offered him like $100 to let me stay, and he was just like, nah. Then a lady came out, she gave me a hard time too. But yeah, guys, I really don't know much to talk about. I think I'm gonna just go for another drive, head back home, and hope you guys enjoy the video. All right.